Today, we have some thrilling news from Garmin that every tech enthusiast and smartwatch lover needs to hear. Garmin is about to launch a brand new series of smartwatches, and these devices are set to revolutionize the market with their cutting-edge technology. Get ready to discover what makes the upcoming Fenix 8 Pro series so special and why you should be excited. New series announcement. Garmin is gearing up to introduce a groundbreaking lineup of smartwatches that promises significant advancements in wearable technology. Set to hit the market later this year, this series is already generating considerable buzz in tech circles, and for good reason. These watches are ready to redefine what we expect from smartwatches. Micro-LED display technology. One of the standout features of Garmin's upcoming smartwatches is the incorporation of micro-LED display technology. So, what's the big deal? Unlike traditional LCD and AMOLED displays, micro-LED technology boasts superior brightness, energy efficiency, and a longer lifespan. With enhanced contrast and color accuracy, these displays ensure a vibrant viewing experience, even in bright sunlight. This means Garmin's new smartwatches will not only look stunning but also perform exceptionally well in various lighting conditions. Collaboration with VX. Garmin's commitment to innovation doesn't stop there. The company has partnered with VX, a leading name in the tech industry, to develop these micro-LED displays. This strategic collaboration leverages VX's expertise, ensuring that the new smartwatches meet the highest standards of quality and performance. Together, Garmin and VX aim to push the boundaries of what's possible in wearable technology, delivering a superior visual experience to users. Fenix 8 Pro details. The new smartwatch series will be called the Fenix 8 Pro, available in two size options, 47mm and 51mm, catering to different wrist sizes and preferences. Designed to be versatile and stylish, the Fenix 8 Pro is perfect for both everyday wear and adventurous activities. With these size options, Garmin guarantees a comfortable fit for everyone, enhancing usability without sacrificing style. Features and specifications. Packed with impressive features, the Fenix 8 Pro series stands out from previous models. The micro-LED display promises a brighter, more energy-efficient screen, while an advanced battery ensures up to 24 hours in smartwatch mode and up to 10 days in GPS mode. This extended battery life allows users to rely on their Fenix 8 Pro for longer periods, making it ideal for both daily use and extended outdoor adventures. Pre-order information. If you're eager to get your hands on the Fenix 8 Pro, Garmin has announced that pre-orders will begin on September 15th. This is your chance to secure your smartwatch ahead of the official release. With cutting-edge technology and practical features, the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to be in high demand, so mark your calendars and be ready to place your pre-order. Summary. In summary, Garmin's upcoming Fenix 8 Pro series is poised to make a significant impact in the smartwatch market. With the introduction of micro-LED display technology, a strategic collaboration with VX, and impressive features like extended battery life, these smartwatches are designed to provide an exceptional user experience. The two size options ensure a perfect fit for everyone, and the pre-order date of September 15th allows you to be among the first to own this innovative device. Thanks for watching.